Channel. We're looking at this question. If the sum of the second and the seventh terms of an arithmetic progression is 25 and the fifth term is 15, find the common difference. So we're asked to look for the common difference. We have our options here, and let's get down to business. So if the sum of the second term, so we understand that we are adding values. So we understand that we're adding values. So the sum of the second term, so we say the second term and then the seventh term, adding together, we have 25. Okay. So the second term, we know it is a plus d, and the seventh term, which is a plus 60, equals 25. Okay, cool. So adding them together, we're going to have 2a plus 7d equals 25. Okay, cool. Now, and they said the fifth term is 15. So we understand that we can call this the first equation. Okay. All right. And now the fifth term is 15. So we know the fifth term is 15. Okay, cool. So we're going to have a plus 4d equals 15. So automatically we have an equation 2. All right. So I would be substituting, and I can say a would be 15 minus 4d. So I can substitute the values of a to this part of the equation. So since I'm using that, a equals 15 minus 4d, and then I would go back to this, I'll drop my arrow here. I'm going to have 2, and the values of a is 15 minus 4d equals plus 7d, sorry, equals 25. Okay, so multiply through the bracket, I have 30. So 2 times this, that's 30. Then 2 multiplies this, that is minus 8d, okay, plus 7d equals 25. All right, now I have to collect like term. So this minus 8d plus 7d is going to be minus d, okay? So if I take this here, I'm going to have 25 minus 30. So automatically, minus d equals minus 5. So this cancels that, therefore d is 5. So the correct answer is this, and d is 5.